Welcome to Born Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 23 feet in meter 7 meter. In the front we have door in the center, and after that we'll go inside. So we have living area in the first. You can see here the sofa arrangement, TV unit on the front wall and two windows for ventilation and light purpose. And after that we'll go on the left side. So we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have dining counter with two chairs and three large size windows for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And after that if we go inside, so on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. Here you can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go on the back side, so we have bedroom number 1. Here you can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and window for ventilation and light purpose. And if we go on the left side, so we have bedroom number 2 here with bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.